figured that out, it was like, oh, okay, I see. This way. Terminator Buzzbait. Hold it up. Nice one. Alright, good one. There he is. Dang it. Reach it back. Man, talking about hitting it at the boat. It's a nice one. He was swatting at it there a couple times and he finally got caught up to it right before I picked it up out of the water. It's a good fish.
You scared me.
Alright, go let him go. Oh, he's got me on right there. You don't want to give up. It's a good one on the buzzbait. They've knocked the paint off my buzzbait there. Alright, a nice one. Man, look at there on a buzzbait. Nice one. Alright, that's a nice one. Alright guys, for a couple of tips and modifications that I like to make with my buzzbaits. First of all, I like using the Terminator T1 buzzbaits. I always like a white buzzbait with some kind of red involved in it. If you've just got a normal white buzzbait, you can either dye the tips of the skirt red, or you can add a red trailer or dye the bottom of the trailer red. But I like to have a little bit of white and red in there to make it kind of look like a bleeding shad, especially in the fall. And then the next most important thing on fishing a buzzbait is the trailer hook. You have to have a trailer hook. I wouldn't fish a buzzbait without it. It seems like 75% of the fish I catch are hooked solely on the trailer hook. But to add the trailer, you just run it up the back here, push it all the way up to the top. You want to get it flush like that. And then to add the trailer hook, you want to get it going in the same direction as your main hook. And then get it to where it's almost at the exact same angle as your main hook. Alright, I'm going to show you all the second modification I like to make. Here on the left we've got a buzzbait that's brand new out of the package that I just added the trailer and trailer hook to. And this is an old one that I've used plenty of times and it's already been modified. But what I'll do is take a pair of pliers and you want to squeeze this rivet here in place. You want to tighten it up to where it's stuck to the wire, and that way it won't move up and down. It's positioned there in place. And the reason for doing that is because as you're running it through the water, you want this main blade to always maintain contact. You don't want it sliding up and down. So you want it to maintain contact there on the bottom. And then the second thing I'll do is I'll take a pair of pliers and I'll rough the edges on the very tip of the rivet. And that way it'll add a little bit of extra friction as the blade goes around. You can tell this one doesn't make very much noise. And if you get one that I've used a good bit and already made modifications to, it's real squeaky. You want that high pitched squeak. That's what the bass can't stand. And in order to get that sound, you just take your pair of pliers and just grab the edges of it and just barely rough them up, and that's all you'll need to do. And that's it.